I'm Kenzie.
I'm Ashley.
So no one told you life was gonna be this way. I'll be there for you, like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, so there for you.
On Friday, November 13th, the freshmen had their freshman retreat. They took part in service and numerous bonding activities. We talked to some of the retreat leaders before retreat to see how they were feeling.
I feel like there's been so much build up to this, and we've been working so hard and planning, so I'm excited to just watch it pay off.
It's all gonna come together.
I hope that they realize that they're super similar in everything that they're gonna go through. They're gonna go through as a class, even though you're not together all the time, you're still gonna experience the same things.
I really hope this retreat helps them feel like they are at home and that they're welcome here.
I want them to remember how special Marian is and that you're not gonna find a place like Marian ever again.
We then caught up with the freshmen to see how they enjoyed the retreat.
I learned a lot more about God, and I learned a lot about people in my group. Some advice that I would give is just to put yourself out there and meet new people.
My favorite part was probably like all the decorations.
I liked all the small groups.
Something I learned from freshman retreat was just like to cherish my time at Marian.
I learned to be like open to everyone and like listen to everyone. Like I just can't wait to get to know everyone better.
We talked to 2 team managers to see all of the work that's put in behind the scenes of the winter sports season.
I team managed the varsity basketball team.
I'm the swim team manager.
I became a team manager freshman year because I wanted to get more involved and stay busy. During the week, I go to all the practices and all the games. That's about 10 hours of practice, and then whatever games we have that week.
Per week, I put in 10 hours, including weekdays, and if you include Saturday, it's probably about 12.
I applied freshman year, and we basically just had to write a paper about why we wanted to do it and our background with basketball.
I applied. I found out that they needed a new one. I emailed Mr. Christensen saying that, asking if it was okay if I could be a team manager, if there was a possibility.
Every practice we get a practice plan, and we just do the clock or anything like that and get any stuff that they need. And then at games, I take book for all the games.
At practices, I either time the swimmers or write down their times. In the meets, I write down their times for the races.
And then my favorite part is probably all the people that I've met. I've met a lot of friends that I definitely wouldn't have known if I didn't get involved in basketball.
So Operation Others is a student-led coalition of students from each of the 8 Catholic high schools, and we come together every fall semester to feed materially poor families in the Omaha metro area during the Christmas and holiday season.
So right now it is the end of the peanut butter and jelly drive, and on November 21st there's a turkey drive.
We have a raffle going on for the turkey drive, so if you bring a turkey in and you mention your name with one of the 6 core Team Marian members, we'll write your name down and you get entered into a raffle to win a $30 gift card to wherever you want. So bring in your turkeys to Prep, Golf Tech, and Scott.
We decided to take a BuzzFeed quiz to see which Thanksgiving food matches our personalities best. We ended up getting pumpkin pie. Next, we headed to our local Walmart to get all the ingredients.
First, add in a can of pumpkin, then 1 can of evaporated milk, then 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 2 large eggs. Then mix until it has a smooth consistency. Then pour the filling into your pie crust, making sure not to overfill.
It's not bad.
Pretty good. Actually?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Oh wait, it's good. I've never liked the texture of pumpkin pie.
Yeah, I don't like
so
pumpkin pie
that's
that
not
much.
changed.
I hate saying this word, but it's kind of moist.
It is very moist.
It's too moist.
Way too moist. But besides that, I think it's good.
For our first time making a pumpkin pie, it was pretty good.
Yeah, exactly. We did our best.
Yeah, we tried.
Experience 10 out of 10.
Not so much the pie.
I'll be there for
What I love most about Marian is all the friendships that I've made over the past 3 years and how I've connected with each one of the girls.
I love how it's allowed me to meet so many of my friends and how inviting it is and just like how open you can be here. You don't have to worry about anything.
I'm thankful for Marian ice cream.
I'm grateful for the debate team.
I'm thankful for my sister. I'm thankful for her.
I'm thankful for my friends.
I'm thankful for all the teachers at Marian because they're always very understanding and they help you to learn.
I'm thankful for the amazing teachers.
I'm thankful for my family.
And I'm thankful for my friends. That includes you.
Aw.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.